Alright guys, STR8FIGGAMAG here. We got something special for you today.
Got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High Gold Collection. These have been 24 karat gold plated.
Wow.
Never been seen like before, never released to the public. The only time a collection was released was 2017. They just had them on display. They did like every pair of Jordan from 1 to 11, I believe.
Now what
this
are
is
these?
like an art sculpture. All the laces are fixed because of the gold plating, so it's hard now. So this was like a real pair of shoes that have been plated.
Very cool.
So it's a nice sculpture to have for like a sneaker collector that you have all the shoes. You know, a lot of people, they don't wear the shoes, so this is a good one-of-one piece to have displayed.
Okay, appreciate that. Let me just take a quick run around here. Wow. Guys, you see them? Crazy. Crazy.
This is not no gold paint or anything. You can tell by the reflection, like on them. See how you can see the reflection in the shoe?
Wow.
You can see the reflection on the back.
Here, hold it there for a second. Let me get a good focus. There we go.
Yeah.
Now, what does something like this go for?
You can go from 5 to 10 grand. Easy.
Very cool. Alright, I appreciate you showing us the shoes. And guys, if you have any questions on it, don't forget to leave the questions in the comments. And it's been another one. We'll see you guys soon. Peace.